Hey guys, so John, I am here to unbox a Pinch Me Blogger box with you guys today. Okay, so last month I unboxed a Pinch Me Beauty box, and this month I thought I would change things up because not everybody on here is interested in beauty. So I have a blogger box. Now, Pinch Me has been in my life for such a long time. Pinch Me is part of the reason why this channel got started. Pinch Me is like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a website that you go on to and you don't have to enter in your credit card information. You just enter your shipping information, and like once, maybe twice a month, it'll update with like free supplies that you can get. And I mean, like, it's like food and like it's a bunch of different stuff, like beauty, lifestyle, food. And you get like full-size products and you're supposed to review it. It's so freaking cool. Well, they reached out to me last month. They were like, hey, do you want to unbox our like new beauty box? And I was like, yes. But then they were like, hey, like, what if you tried this blogger box? And I was like, yes, please. Okay. So with all of that said, this is the card that says like, welcome, we're so excited for you to join our Pinch Me influencer club. And then it has like follow us and how it works. It says go to pinchme.com and sign up. Once a month we'll email you when free samples are available for you to claim, and then you provide your honest feedback on the samples to claim more. Okay, with all of that said, let's get inside of this box. So I have another card that I'm just gonna like not throw away because honestly I'm here to see what's inside of the box. So the first thing that I'm pulling up ooh, is this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Oh my gosh, achieve clinical results at home. Heck yes. This says it'll help you to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, which your girl needs help with, and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Yes, these were basically made for my skin. Like, these are all the problems that I have. Like, I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes because I do this. Because when I always forget to bring sunglasses and I'm always squinting in the sunlight. Like, I'm going to be aged so bad. So there's a lot of peels in here. Holy crap. Yes. Look at all this. We got 3. Maybe 6. I don't know how this works. Step 1, step 2. Okay, so we got 3 2-step peels. That's exciting. The next 2 things I'm pulling out are these cookie squares baked in France from Michael at Augustin. 2 cookies. So we get little treats. Okay, that's super fun. I'm sure my sister's gonna love me when she comes home. And then I have this Excellor cleansing facial oil with African morella oil and pumpkin seed oil. Ooh, look at it. I can use this to take off all of my makeup on because I got it kicked on thick today. I'm also pulling out, ooh, soap. This moisturizing bath bar, Yardley, London, activated charcoal with bentonite clay to help cleanse and purify skin. I love bars like these because you can use them in the shower to like, I use them on my shoulders and on my like lower back to clean up any acne areas where I struggle with, because like I have PCOS, so I literally break out all over like my inner thighs, my shoulders, my back, and I love using like body cleansers like this in the shower. It really honestly helps to keep my skin like on top of its game, so I don't. How many more times can I take this around? So I don't really struggle with breakouts that much anymore. And I really do love like activated charcoal soaps like that. I just put it in, I put the soap bar in a little like hand scrubby, and I just sit there and I scrub my skin and I feel nice and squeaky clean. The next thing that I'm pulling out is Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. Yes, I love the glitter one that they have. And their stuff always smells so freaking amazing. It's never in stock at my Target. I don't know if Ulta carries this, but their dry shampoos and their hair products smell so amazing, and they're affordable. Like, it's at Target, it's affordable. Go get yourself some if you want to smell good. The stuff smells so amazing. The next thing that I'm pulling out are these Lumify eye drops. Now, I don't have problems with allergies. I don't have problems with dry eyes. I don't have problems with like my eyes being red or anything like that. But I have people in my family who really struggle with allergies. And my little sister really love these drops. I've gotten them before in my Allure beauty boxes. I've gotten them before in my Pop Sugar boxes. And she likes them a lot. So I'm sure she'll be happy to have more. The next thing that I'm pulling out is really heavy. What is this? V Beauty Pure Facial Oil. Yes. Is this like a moisturizer? I'm going to tear open the package because they put tape on it. So I got to like ruin the whole package to get to this oil. Clinically proven to visibly reduce wrinkles and imperfections, improve elasticity, and significantly increase hydration within the first application. This bottle is literally massive. Like, also it's purple. Can you guys see that? It's a beautiful purple, but the inside oil is brown. So that's super cool. We got like a full-size skincare item in here. Yes. The next thing that I'm pulling out are these Comfy Cushioning Comfort and Confidence medium size advanced blister care. Yes, I freaking love these. I always get blisters on the back of my foot whenever I wear heels. I didn't know anything like this existed, but I'm so excited to like try this out. It says, wait, hold up. Instant pain relief, faster healing, stays in place for lasting protection. Okay, so I was like, can I put these on to like preventative care for blisters? It says stays in place for days, active gel cushions, form-fitting and waterproof with 2 cushions. I'm so excited to try these out. I have a couple photo shoots coming up, so blisters are going to be all over my feet, but if I can wear these to protect my feet, I'm so excited. Okay, so I just got a couple more things in this box. I got another Excellor Daily Facial Oil with Kakadu Plum Seed Oil and Dankon Radish Seed Oil. So it has a fresh citrus. Squeeze a few drops directly to your dry hands and apply lightly to skin. I love all the skincare that I got in this box. Like, super yes. Then I got 2 cookie squares baked in France, and these are milk chocolate with melted caramel. And then the last thing that I received is this Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil for Eva NYC. I have no idea what this does, but my sister's the hair whiz in the family, and I'm so excited to show this to her. But I'm gonna spray because I want to know if it smells good. Ooh, dry oil, yes. It actually really doesn't have that much stuff it said. That is a super dry oil. Oh my God, yes, I'm totally down for that. That is everything that I received in my Pinch Me box. What did you guys think of this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.